security devices, as well as other aspects of their smart home. Smart doorbells. Smart doorbells are a new type of smart security device that is gaining popularity. These doorbells have a built-in camera that can detect motion and send alerts to the user's smartphone. Some smart doorbells also have facial recognition technology, allowing users to see who is at their door and communicate with them via two-way communication. This technology can be particularly helpful for deterring potential intruders and enhancing the security of the user's property. Smart smoke detectors. Smart smoke detectors are another type of smart security device that is becoming more popular. These detectors can detect smoke and send alerts to the user's smartphone, even when they are away from home. Some smart smoke detectors can also detect carbon monoxide and other potential threats. This technology can help users respond quickly to potential threats and prevent serious damage or harm. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used in the development of smart security devices to provide more accurate and personalized security solutions. AI algorithms can analyze user data, such as behavior patterns and preferences, to suggest personalized security measures. For example, I can suggest the best locations for smart cameras and sensors based on the user's property and security needs. Cloud storage. Cloud storage is being used in smart security devices to store and access video and other data remotely. This technology can make it easier for users to monitor their property and access video footage from anywhere. Cloud storage can also provide a more secure and reliable way to store data, as it is less vulnerable to physical damage or theft. Conclusion. In conclusion, smart security devices are changing the way we approach security by providing more personalized and convenient solutions. From smart home hubs and doorbells to smart smoke detectors and AI, there are many new technologies that are enhancing the security of our homes and properties. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advancements in the field of smart security, making it easier and more effective to protect ourselves and our belongings. Smart lighting. Smart lighting is a new type of smart security device that is gaining popularity. These lights can be controlled remotely via a smartphone app, allowing users to turn them on and off from anywhere. Some smart lights also have motion detection capabilities, turning on automatically when they detect movement. This technology can be particularly helpful for enhancing the security of the user's property and deterring potential intruders. Smart window and door sensors. Smart window and door sensors are another type of smart security device that is becoming more popular. These sensors can detect when a window or door is opened or closed and send alerts to the user's smartphone. Some smart sensors also have motion detection capabilities, detecting movement even when the window or door is closed. This technology can help users respond quickly to potential threats and prevent break-ins. Smart fences. Smart fences are a new type of smart security device that is currently in development.